In this video, I am going to show you the scalping trading strategy which works on the 5-minute and the 15-minute time frame, and you can also use it on the 1-minute and the 3-minute chart. So before I start this video, if you are interested in booking the coaching session with me, if you want that the chart speaks to you, then I will be going to teach you the price action within 1 hour. And guys, you will be expert of the trading view with the trading without indicators. And also as a bonus, I will be giving you the top strategy from my YouTube channel that works really well, and one of the strategies is also not right now posted on my YouTube channel. So please make sure that if you are willing to book your coaching session with me, please find the link in the description of this video below for the Telegram channel. Moreover, if you want to open an account with the broker that I personally use, regulated, honest, and with having a fast withdrawal and deposit methods, so the link is given in the description of this video below. Now let's move to our strategy, and the strategy is very simple. We are not going to mess our charts with the bundle of indicators. We are just going to use the one indicator couple of times. Okay, so if you will write just moving average on your trading view, then it will come simple moving average. Okay, I'm not talking about other moving averages, the simple moving averages which is given by default on the trading view. So just click on this one, but twice. Okay, 2 times you will click on this one because we want this moving average to be 2 times on our screen, right? Okay, now we are going to the settings of the first moving average, and we are going to give it a yellow color. Okay, and now I am going to the input section. So instead of this 9 length, I am going to choose the 10 length. Okay, so now you can see our first moving average is ready, and now I am going to choose the second moving average settings, and now here I am going to set up the length to 20. Okay, 20. Okay, now you can also change the color from here. So for example, if you are comfortable with the blue one, you can. Otherwise, if you want to change it to the other color, you can. But overall, I feel that okay, I'm just going to choose the purple one. Okay, that's more good for me. Okay guys, now all you need is to, if you don't have any kind of a knowledge regarding the trading, if you are just a beginner and you are a good trader as well, but if you want to just do scalping, so this is one of the best scalping indicator available on TradingView. So for example, when you will see the yellow moving averages crossing the purple one at the top, you can see the breakout happened, and then you can see the price has went simply into the upward direction. Then again we have a bearish crossover, so I'm just going to give it a technique like this. Always make the trend lines, you can make the trend lines, you know very well that how to make the trend lines. So for example, you can pick one point from here. For example, if you have a breakout like this, you can simply make a trend line here. Okay, so for example, now you can see the trend line is telling you that you are into the upward trend. Okay, in that scenario, you just need to take care of one thing, that this is a breakout, bullish breakout. The market is pumping up. Here you have a bearish crossover, so you will not going to trade this crossover because the trend is up as per the trend line. Again the bullish crossover happened, you can simply trade this one. Now if you look at here, always look at this pattern, that whenever you are trading the moving averages, this is the consolidation pattern. You can see the market has reached to the maximum. Okay, now it was consolidating. So consolidation means that there is something going to happen for the trend change. Okay, now for example, I'm going to set up this trend line like this with this point. Okay, you can set up like this. Okay, so when you will have a break from this trend line below and you have a bearish crossover, simply go and trade into the bearish direction. Okay, and let me show you other pairs. Okay, so if I make the trend line of this pair, then it will be very clear that if we make the trend line, for example, I'm just picking a random point, so do not be confused, just giving you an idea. Okay, so guys, what do you think about this concept? This is already telling you, this trend line is telling you that I am basically going down. So every time you have a bearish crossover, you can set up a stop loss at the previous high of the market, sell it. Here the bullish crossover, do not take this one. Sell again, you can see it's profitable. Sell again, it was profitable. Sell again, it was profitable. But when this trend line get a break and move into the upward side, then simply it means that the trend has get changed. Okay, now guys, now look at here what this pattern is called. This is called a ranging pattern on Euro USD 15 minute. It means that you are not going to trade that one. Okay, now I'm going to show you that how it works on the 1 minute chart. So I'm going to delete this trend line here. Okay, so always prepare the trend line like this. I'm going to pick another trend line. You can see this is the gold 1 minute chart, and you can see as per the trend line we are into the downward trend. So keep on selling. Okay, this sell crossover, keep on sell. Gold is down. Okay, bullish crossover, do not take this. Again you sold, you can see again the price is down. Again it was the bullish crossover. Now you can see tested the trend line area, then again it was pumped down. Here you have a bullish crossover. If I zoom out this picture, you can clearly see we have a bullish crossover, but we will not take. Again, when the sell crossover will happen, we will sell this. So guys, this is the simple methodology that I have given you in this video. So simply trade this one. Do not be complicated with the rest of indicators. The trend line and this moving average with the period 10 and 20 is going to help you a lot. So guys, I have very good techniques to trade the market, especially without indicators. Like for example, if I delete these all indicators from my screen, even if I delete these indicators, then I will be going to tell you that from where I'm bullish and from where I'm, so you can easily predict the market with the price action. So if you want to book your sessions with me for the price action, please find the link of the Telegram channel in the description of this video below. And moreover, you will be rewarded with the best trading view strategy as well. If you don't want to use price action, if you just want to trade the strategy, then you will also be given the best strategy. You will see the aggressive results of that strategy with the scalping and the day trading as well. So book your sessions with me from joining the Telegram group. The link is given in the description of this video. Moreover, please like, subscribe and share these videos with everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video.